Point-of-care ultrasound process is an essential part of the modern healthcare system. It can be done differently in every hospital, but common issues which arise from POCUS workflow may sound familiar to many physicians. Exam reports detached from ultrasound images, missing exams, potential errors from manual entry of the patient information, inefficient archiving and billing process are only some of the issues. Qpath E offers a solution for the seamless point-of-care ultrasound workflow which can be customized to meet specific needs for educational or clinical purposes. Our application is a smart, flexible and user-friendly tool to perform, document, review and bill ultrasound exams, all in one place. Qpath E supports ordered and non-ordered workflows, multiple facility sites and role-based access to the application. Interfaces and protocols connected to Qpath allow automating the POCUS workflow end-to-end. Reviewing and documenting exam results becomes a streamlined process. Reporting engine allows tracking users' progress and qualification achievements. Exam results and billing reports are generated and sent to the integrated systems. Qpath E is a web-based app hosted on Microsoft Azure Cloud trusted by millions of clients all over the world. Microsoft Azure offers unbeatable benefits to its users such as security compliance and data protection, limitless storage and high capacity. Continue watching this presentation to learn more about Qpath E.
Welcome to our Qpath E demo presentation. You are watching our initial video in Qpath E demo series which describes the application desktop and some of the main menu options on the left vertical menu section. Qpath E desktop is displayed on user login. It can be used for pinning application views for quick access. Here you can see a default exam tile which will open all ultrasound exams view. The left side vertical panel is the main application menu section. Browse button displays the point of access to the main application views such as exams, orders, reports, etc. The bottom button is our help section which contains user tutorials on the application functionality and configuration. Tutorial articles are searchable by keywords typed in the search box. Contact Us button opens up an embedded technical support framework used to submit tickets directly from the application for any functional issues or user requests for enhancements. Just provide details of your request in the form and hit Continue button in the bottom. Active button shows all currently open views in the application. User can switch between the views from here or just close them if needed. Let us create a new desktop tile which will open the library view as an example. First, go to Browse on the main menu and select Library. Library in Qpath is used to store a user knowledge base such as notes and media files. To pin library section to the desktop, click on the pin icon in the right top corner. Update the tile name if needed and hit OK. Now, your library tile is displayed on the desktop. To modify or unpin a tile from the desktop, right-click on this tile and proceed with the provided action options. Location and size of desktop tiles can be modified to user preference. Right-click on the tile and select Customize. Drag your tile over the desktop to the preferred location and click Done. User can also adjust the size of the tile. Set as Startup will enable the auto launch of the view when user logs in the application. Available design tools offer more options for advanced tile customization to set up data visualizers directly on the desktop tiles. You are watching Qpath E demo. In this video, we will review an ultrasound exam record. An exam can be opened by double-click or with Open command. Exam record will display the image viewer with the ultrasound images or clips and the attached worksheets. The worksheets are automatically identified by the system by the exam type. Qpath comes with a number of pre-defined worksheets which can be easily modified or new ones created per user needs. Depending on user access level, user may or may not have permissions to view, update or sign the worksheets. Let's review some of the available menu options for an exam record. Exam Worksheets and QA Worksheets buttons are used to hide or display the respective worksheets from the view. Details button will display the exam details as it is shown on the exam list. Enabled or disabled functional commands define the default viewing mode which applies to all exams. Selected image thumbs below the image viewer will open up the related image or clip. Alternatively, user may click on 2x2 button to display the first 4 images in the viewer. Clips can be paused and manually played frame by frame. User may also enable full screen mode to view the images. User may add annotations to images and clips. The size, color and location of the annotations are customizable. Qpath supports 3 types of annotations: text, arrow and measurements. Hide and display annotations option is also available. Brightness and contrast settings can be applied either to a selected image or to all images within a study. Image operations function allows a user to perform a number of actions to a single or multiple images within one study. Split function is one of the available operations. It allows copying or moving images from the original exam into a new exam record. For example, a study contains multiple images for a patient. Some images belong to a different exam type, for example, aorta. User selects aorta exam type for the image and proceeds with move or copy action. New exam record will be created with this image. Patient information and other details will be the same as in the original exam. In image operations mode, user may also download selected images as local files, delete images, view DICOM tags or copy images to the application library. Drag the shortcut for the selected image to the clipboard. Open the library and select a section. Enable the attachment section and drag the image from the clipboard to library attachments. Your image is now in the library, which can be used for educational purposes. In the next video we will go over exam reports and QA review process. Hello. In this video we will show you how you can document and review your ultrasound exams. An operator or an assigned physician opens their exam record which has not submitted status. User completes the attached exam worksheet and signs it. Signature on the worksheets can be set up to automatically send the results to EMR or billing system or send images to PACS system. Worksheets also have a locking mechanism. After a worksheet is signed, it can be locked to prevent accidental modifications or signature removal. If needed, a worksheet can be unlocked and edited. For QA review, click on Submit for QA button and select a reviewer from the list. The selected reviewer will receive a system notification. Exam can also be submitted for review without a specific reviewer selected. Now the exam has changed its status to pending. QA reviewer logs in the application and checks the system notifications. Pending QA review exams are displayed in the separate list. QA reviewer sees both exam and QA worksheets. The exam worksheet is completed and signed by a physician. User fills out the QA worksheet. Set default function can be used to automatically populate combination of fields when needed. Users may set up the default fields to their preference. Click on QA Complete to update the exam status and send the notification to the exam providers. QA process is now completed. Physician who documented the study will now be able to view the QA review results. Users' progress for the completed studies and their qualifications achievements can be tracked with the help of Qpath Analytics Engine, which will be reviewed in the next demo videos. You are watching Qpath E demo. In this video, we will talk about the exams view and its customization options. The exams view is the list of the exam records with ultrasound images, patient, and physician information. The exam records are generated in the result of the configured workflow for the ultrasound process. The data columns on the exams view can be customized in a number of options. User can arrange any column in ascending or descending order. Add or remove the columns from the view by checking or unchecking them from the column list. The order of the columns can be changed, too, by dragging a column to the preferred location on the view. All view customizations are automatically saved per individual user. Exam records can be filtered by any column value. For example, let's filter out all aorta exams by applying a filter to exam type column. The returned records can be pinned to the desktop as a separate view which will open all aorta exams. The search box above the exams view is used for searching exam records by user-entered parameters such as patient name, medical record number, physician name, etc. Advanced Filter offers additional options for exams search. For example, Diagnostic Filter will return all exams which have been marked as diagnostic in the exam worksheets. Advanced Filter can be set up by user with the three available options: Worksheets, Grid and Teams. Check out our next video about the exams functional menu. You are watching Qpath E demo. In this video, you will learn how to use and customize the exams command section. Above the exam view, there is a list of menu options. Most of these commands become enabled when an exam record is selected from the view. The list of the menu options can be customized and saved individually for each user. User may select which commands should be displayed in the menu section for quick access, and which ones remain hidden until the full view is open. To open the full view of the exam commands, click on the white triangle button in the top right corner. Click on Customize button. The highlighted buttons are the commands which are currently selected to be displayed on the primary option list. Unselect the commands which you do not need for your exams view. And select the ones you would like to have on the command list. Click Done Customizing and close the menu. The options list is now updated. Let's review the use of some of the commands. Refresh button will reload the exam view and will unselect previously selected records. Highlight button is a tool to highlight exams by the defined conditions. For example, all completed or reviewed exams are now highlighted green. Tags button allows a user to filter out the exams by certain tags applied to these exams. For example, the selected Interesting Case tag will show the exams tagged as interesting cases by users. Edit button is used for changing the exam details such as patient information, exam providers, or other details directly from the exam's view. You are watching Qpath E demo. In this video we will show the reporting tools in Qpath E. Access to the reports is done through the main application menu, Browse button, Analytics tab. A list of the available reports will be displayed. For example, let's run all users' progress report. Select a report and choose the report visualizer. We'll select a table view. The report is generated from the double-click on the selected visualizer or Run button. User can add or remove the available columns on the report. To group the data by specific column, drag this column to the area above the report. Now the report is grouped by user for easier data reading. User can also move the data columns to arrange them in the preferred order. All changes to a report view are saved automatically for current user. To apply a new filter for the report, click on New Query button and set your parameters. Some parameters like worksheet fields values can customized by user. Reports can be exported in Excel or PDF files. Other available report formats are Excel or bar graph. Qualification Achievements report runs based on the achievements metrics set up for specific group of users. The reports calculates the number of the QA accepted exams compared to the number of the required exams within specified exam types. The report can be executed for a selected user or all users. You've watched Qpath E demo. For more details or any questions, please contact us through our website or by phone.